Hey cosplayers, welcome to the Cosplay Apprentice, where we empower you to forge your favorite fandoms. I'm Skyler Ostler, and in today's show and tell video, we're going to take cosplay to a new extreme. Myron Burnett from Past Curfew is going to show you how we turn my office into the Millennium Falcon. Pew pew pew!
Hi, I'm Myron Burnett with Past Curfew, and I take people's favorite fandoms and turn it into something they can live with. So let's dive right in and see what this baby can do.
The entry to Skyler's office starts by having the right fingerprint. This blast door opens with real working pneumatics and a little spritz of steam to go with it. Once inside, we can have our first look at the Star Wars Millennium Falcon cockpit door and everything that's around it. Now, this is known as a found parts build, not meant to be an exact replica from the movie, but a fan creation of our own, made from things that we can find all around us. And whatever components we couldn't find or kit bash together, we had to create. And everything from hot glue to craft foam to 3D printing and welding was used to make this project look the way we wanted. So these toggles and switches we installed in different ways just to give variety, going left to right, up and down, and most of the toggles and switches in the room will actually affect some of the lighting around just to give interest for both us and the little kids that want to play with it. We added some greasy, grimy weathering just to give it the look of a ship that's been around for a while. Fun fact, all three of the greeblies on this panel can be found on the Millennium Falcon. To exit the room, all you have to do is walk in front of the motion sensor. A wireless remote control will trigger this emergency flash strobe or can change the LEDs on this wall sconce. And these next few greeblies are especially fun because they are the epitome of kit bashing, where you just take all of these different parts, put them on a table, start gluing them together, and see what you can come up with. This wall panel has quite a few lights, toggles, and switches, and a few of these do some special things. This middle toggle we've set up to hold open the door when it's toggled to the right and close it when it's to the left. The next toggle up will shut off all of the lights in the entire build. Flip it back over, and everything resumes normal operation. This lower panel was removed and eventually lost when the Falcon needed some emergency repairs. And now this office space can take you to a galaxy far, far away.
Well, now that you've seen the build, I'm sure your next question is, how did I build it? Well, make sure you subscribe and hit the alert button so that you can be the first to be notified when the next video comes out where we lift the hood, look behind the scenes, and see how this was made. And also, because this is a found parts build, I'm curious to know if you can recognize some of these components. If you think you know what they might have been originally, leave me a comment in the description below because I'd like to know if I did a good enough job in disguising it. So until next time, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.
Thank you.